Hello everyone. Let me introduce one vending machine to you now. The latest smart French fries machine. Not just French fries, chicken McNuggets wings, squid ring Pleurotus erangel, etc. You can fry all kinds of things. As long as it can be fried, it is okay. Then the words of this machine. It has two bars, two oil pans. We can take a look inside first. Station E and State E, Station R, and Station R. This is the mechanical appearance. Stickers can be customized. The luminous font on the top of the head can also be customized. Logo can be customized. Can support export with Chinese and English language. You can also add a banknote machine. The coin slot can bring change. You can add the NAX card swiping machine. Our French fry machine can hold 120 boxes. You can set the amount of each box yourself. 120 boxes. You can put them all in different categories. You can also put them all in the same category. Or you can put 3 or 4 categories. You can cook fry. Cook chicken wings McNuggets. Cook chicken thighs, etc. It can be fried. The one on the left is refrigerated. 10 degrees to 25 degrees above zero can be set. Temperature can be adjusted. Let's take a look at our sauce box now. This is a sauce box, which can be opened and replenished. Then a total of about 220 grams can be placed. Now close the door. It's fried now. It's out. You can replenish the ingredients here. Then you can put 6 units.